From what you told me, you have TIA. This TIA is blocking to your brain blood, and this condition is serious. I want you to see the special to go to the ambulance by ambulance now. No, doctor, it's impossible. I have meeting. I can't. Okay, I will refer you to specialist to be seen after 72 hours. Your ABCD2 score is 3. So you should go after 72 hours. Okay? Okay, doctor. And I also advise you to having regular diet and exercise. And also, I would like to do investigation for you, CT scan and lipid profile and Doppler and CBC. I will give you also flu shot, and also you should take more fish and less fat and more nuts and fruits. Fruits 5 times per day, 5 portions per day. Fish 2 per weeks, and reduce the fat 30%, and replace the unsaturated fat with poly and monosaturated fat. Okay, doctor. And I will see you after 2 weeks. Thank you, doctor.